work hard, dream big, never give up is a beautiful phrases. Okay, we have to follow this in our life. Work hard, dream big. Okay, then occupation. Now we are going to this occupation. See, there are many type of occupation even in our life. We can see many type of people working here and there. What is their work? What is the name of their work? For that we have to know the name of their work and the persons who is working that jobs. Okay, now first one is kalakar. Kalakar means artist. Okay, artist means who are doing we can say it in dramas, shows, cinemas, like that. We call them as kalakar. Kalakar, we can see many artists. Okay, then here karigar. Karigar means artisan. Karigar mean artisans who draws pictures. Okay, like that we can call them as karigar. Then the third one is jyotishi. Jyotishi means astrologer. Astrologer. For everything in Hindus we watch the jyotishi. Okay, we give them some money and paying them and we can get our jadaham, like that. Jyotishi, astrologer. Then fourth one is lekak. Lekak means author. Kalki is the famous author in Tamil field. Okay, Thiruvalluvar. We can say many people. Like then in Hindi we can see Tulasidas, Kabir Das, Rahim, etc. They are the authors, poets, like that. Then the fifth one is Nai. Nai means barber. Nai means barber. Then the sixth one is Lohar. Lohar means blacksmith, who are working in the iron. Okay, iron cottages, cart, like that. We call them as Lohar. Okay, Loha means iron. Lohar means blacksmith. Okay, then the next one is Kasai. Okay, Kasai means butcher. Kasai means butcher. Then eighth one is Badai. Okay, Badai means carpenters who works in the windows, doors. Okay, woodworks. Those who are doing woodworks, we call them as carpenter. In Hindi we call them as Badai. Okay, then the ninth one is Rasoiya. Rasoiya. Rasoiya means here we can say them as cook. Okay, in Hindi we call them as Rasoiya, the main Rasoiya. Okay, or we call them as Naukar. Naukar means he does all the things. Okay, Rasoiya means only he does only cooking work. Okay, then next one is Kisan. Kisan is more important. In this time we depend on Kisan. Okay, we depend on Kisan, farmer. Okay, then Mali. Okay, Mali means gardener. Mali, Malin, two types there. Okay, Mali means gardener who gives care about the plants, trees, etc. Then the 12th one is Sunar. Sunar means goldsmith. Sunar means goldsmith who works with the gold and gives us bangles, rings, okay, chain, etc. Who are doing work with gold. We call them as Sunar. Okay, Sunar. Then the 13th one is Moti. Moti means grocer. Here we are having grocer means all type of the things. Okay, grocery shop. Okay, all type of the things we call them as Moti. Moti means grocer. The next one is Raj. Raj means mason. Okay, without the mason we can't build any house. Okay, being the help of him only we can build beautiful house, palaces, etc. Then the 15th one is Dai. Dai means nurse. Dai means nurse who helps in the clinic. Who helps in the clinic. Then 16th one is Dudwala. Dudwala means milkman. Milkman who gives us milk. Then 17th one is Darzi. Darzi means tailor. Nowadays nowadays bada dardis are doing their work, darzi. Okay, ready-made shops we can see the tailor. Okay, darzi. Then 18th one is coolie. Coolie means who receives their pay daily. Who receives their pay daily, we call them as coolie. Then 19th one is gavaya. Gavaya means musician. Here we can say A.R. Rahman, Ilayaraja. Okay, A.R. Raja, M.S. Viswanathan. In Tamil we can say them as musician. They are called as gavaya. They are called as gavaya. Then 28th one is chaukidar. Chaukidar means watchman. Chaukidar means watchman. In her apartment they are having the chaukidar. Without the watchman the apartments we can't live safely. Then 21st one is julaha. Julaha means weaver. Julaha means weaver. In Kanchipuram we can see many weavers, okay, weaving their silk sarees. If we want more efficient and beautiful saree, we go them and order them. Okay, then only we can see there we can see the weavers weaving the silk sarees. Then 22nd is dakia. Dakia means postman who gives us letters, money orders, couriers. Dakia. Then 23rd is dobi. Dobi means washerman. Nowadays washermen are busy, so busy. Okay, here dobi who washes our clothes, we call them as dobi. Then washerman. Then 24th is sampadak. Sampadak means editor, news editor. Okay, news editor. We can see in the in television or in the newspapers. Okay, in magazines we are having editors. Then here samvadat. Samvadat means reporter. Samvadat means reporter who gives news. Okay, who gives news, they are called as samvadat reporter. Then 26th is rokdiya. Rokdiya means cashier. Rokdiya means cashier. We can see in the bank. Okay, we can having the cashier who collects the money and gives accounts. Then 27th one is Vaidya, Hakim. Vaidya and Hakim, two names for doctor. Two names for doctor. Then here 28th is Adhyapak and Adhyapika. There is a difference between Adhyapak and Adhyapika. Here we can say Adhyapak as male teacher and Adhyapika as female teacher. Okay, we can say while asking the question who is your teacher, simply we can say Adhyapak. Differentiating them we can say it as his name or her name. While saying them we can see Adhyapak and Adhyapika. Then 29th is Gayak, Gayika. Okay, Gayak, Gayika, male singer and female singers. In cine field we are having more male singers and female singers. These are their occupations and their names in Hindi. Once again see, Kalakar means artist, Karigar means artisan, Jyotishi, Jyotishi means astrologer, Lekak, Lekak means author. Here we can say author like poet, etc. Then Nai, Nai means barber, Nai means barber. Here Lohar who works with the iron utensils. Okay, we can call them as Lohar, blacksmith. Okay, Kasai, Kasai means butcher. Who gives us meat. Okay, we call them as Kasai, butcher. Then Badai, Badai means carpenter. Then Rasoiya, Rasoiya, cook. The 10th one is Kisan, Kisan means farmer. Okay, Jai Kisan, Jai Jawan, we can see the slogan. Okay, Mali, Mali means gardener. Sunar, Sunar means goldsmith. Then Moti means grocer who gives us all types of groceries. Call them as grocer. That is Moti. Then 14th one is Raj. Raj means mason. Then 15th one is Dai. Dai means nurse. Then 16th one is Dudwala. Dudwala means milkman. Darzi. Darzi here. Who is stitching our clothes? We call them as tailor. In Hindi we call them as Darzi. Then coolie. Coolie means who receives their pay daily. Okay, we call them as coolie. The 19th one is gavaya. Gavaya means musician who plays or composing the songs. We call them as gavaya. Then 20th one is chaukidar. Chaukidar means watchman. Then 21st one is julaha. Julaha means weaver who weaves our silk sarees, etc. Then 22nd is dakia. Dakia means postman. Here 23rd is dobi who washes our clothes and gives us safe. We call them as dobi washerman. Then sampadak. Sampadak means news editor. Here samvadak. Samvadak means who gives news to the editor and gives anything like that. Reporter. Then 26 is rogdiya. Rogdiya means cashier who collects money and gives accounts in the bank. Then 27th is vaidya, hakim. We call them as doctor. Then here we are having two type of teacher, male teacher and female teacher. We call them as adhyapak and adhyapika. Here male singer and female singer, we call them as gayak, gaiya. We are having many type of in cine field. We can say them as gayak, gaika, male singer and female singer. Now these are the occupations and their names we are already well known. Okay, can you understand? Is it clear?